What if you could create viral, high-earning health workout videos completely free on your phone and start crushing it in English-speaking countries? This channel idea has the power to make you hundreds of thousands every month. We're talking long-form English videos in the health niche. This creator has uploaded just 82 videos and skyrocketed to 1.1 million subscribers from English-speaking countries. They've already smashed 42 million views. And when you hit 42 million views in English markets with health content, the RPM skyrockets. That's exactly why, check this out, this channel earned an estimated $11,000 to $32,000 last month alone. The minimum is $11,000, and that's enough to blow up your bank account. Look at this, the creator is pumping out these explosive exercise videos. And it's not just one channel. Here's another guy who jumped in, creating almost identical videos, and he's pulling in massive views too. He used this yellow character to dominate his content, and this other creator built his own unique colored character as his signature hero to power his videos. Now you're about to discover how to create these complete professional videos 100% free right on your mobile phone. I'm breaking down every single detail in this video. But before we dive deeper, if you're new to this channel, smash that subscribe button right now to level up your knowledge and show some love. And drop a like on this video if it fires you up with even one game-changing tip. Step 1. Create your own epic signature character. To crush these videos, we first need to build your channel's ultimate hero, a consistent character that stars in every single video. Keeping it consistent is key to building a powerhouse brand. This used to be tough, but your brother here found the ultimate shortcut and prepped everything for you. Simply head to one of those channels, open any video, and grab a quick screenshot of their character on your phone. Then rush to my video description. Boom, you'll find my custom character prompt ready to go. Check it out. I've set it up for a dark blue character with an S blasting on the forehead, or swap it for whatever letter you want, just like that guy rocked a W. Copy this prompt straight from the description, fire up ChatGPT, paste it in, hit the plus button, upload that screenshot you took, and send it. Want a different color? Change it right there and make it yours. I switched S to Z. Hit enter, and in seconds, ChatGPT explodes with your custom character. Exact match, your color, your letter on the forehead. Download this beast to your phone right away. This is your hero that's going to dominate your entire channel. Stay consistent and watch the magic happen. Don't skip any step. Keep watching closely. Step 2. Generate killer ideas and professional scripts for these health exercise videos. I've done the heavy lifting for you again. Head back to my video description, grab the second prompt, the script prompt. It's engineered for 6-minute videos, just like those top channels crushing 6 to 7 minutes. And there's a spot to plug in your exact exercise. Not sure about exercises? Jump back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me a list of 20 bodybuilding exercises." Boom, it drops a full list. Arms, legs, different body parts, 5 to 6 killer moves each. Now copy my script prompt from the description, paste it into ChatGPT, and in the exercise spot, drop any one from that list. Hit enter, and instantly you get a professional, hook-loaded script tailored to your exercise. Perfect for a 6-minute banger. Tweak it a bit for extra fire if you want, but even as is, this script is absolute dynamite. Step 3. Generate an epic voiceover. Now turn your script into epic voiceover, completely free. Search Google for 11 Labs or use Clipchamp Record and Create. Click Text to Speech at the bottom. Paste your full script on the right, keep English, United States selected, audition voices, and pick the one that pumps you up. Hit Generate, and in moments, your powerhouse voiceover is ready. Export as audio only, download it straight to your phone. You're unstoppable now. Step 4. Create consistent exercise poses for your character. We need your hero character in multiple explosive poses, exact exercise moves, staying 100% consistent every time. Rush to my video description again, grab the third prompt, the image prompt. Copy it, head to ChatGPT, paste it at the bottom, upload your custom character, the one you downloaded earlier, and send it. ChatGPT blasts back 30 detailed pose prompts, one-line descriptions perfect for your video. That's 30 images to bring your 6-minute masterpiece to life. Start with the intro pose prompt. Copy it, now search Google for Gemini, Google's Gemini. Log in with Gmail. Hit Tools, then Create Images with banana icon for Nano Banana Tech. This keeps your character insanely consistent. Paste the first prompt, upload your character, hit Enter, and watch your exact pose generate in seconds. Same character, perfect consistency. Repeat for every prompt. Copy, paste, generate. Some poses even highlight muscles with red and green marks. Thanks to my prompts, your exercises will pop and educate like crazy. Download all 30 images. You're ready to dominate editing. Step 5. Edit your video like a pro on mobile. Editing time. This is where your video transforms into a view-exploding machine. I'm using CapCut. Any editor works, let's crush it. Our characters have white backgrounds, so start with a clean white background. Elements, search for white background, add to timeline, then stretch to full video length. Now drop your first character pose on top. Resize and position. I'm keeping characters left, text right. Add every pose image the same way. Adjust positions for maximum impact. Bring them to life with animations. Select each image, then Animations, scroll to Swing Effect, left or right, make it dynamic, then Out, zoom in to vanish powerfully. Add a shake effect for extra energy. Effects, then search for Shake, free one, stretch full length. Drop your voiceover on the audio track. Generate auto captions, captions, auto captions, generate. Now everything spoken appears on screen. Resize captions to the opposite side, apply a Fire template preset for pro styling. Final touch, grab free background music from YouTube audio library and add it. Lower the volume slightly. Export in highest resolution, download to your phone. This method looks intense, but I made it super easy with my prompts. Now you can pump out these complete videos on your phone for free. Stay consistent, grind hard, and inshallah, you'll explode with views from English countries and stack massive dollars. But remember, massive dollars or epic success demands relentless hustle. If this video fired you up, smash that like button right now. Share it with your friends to spread the energy.
Think you're growing your biceps with every curl? Hate to break it to you. Most people are actually training their lower back and shoulders instead, and leaving their arms behind. Today, I'm going to show you how to do barbell bicep curls the right way, so every rep actually builds the arms you want. Here's the truth. The curl is one of the simplest looking exercises in the gym, yet it's also one of the most butchered. Mistake number 1, the swing. People throw the bar up using momentum, and the biceps barely do the work. Mistake number 2, the shrug. Instead of curling, they end up pulling with their traps and shoulders. Mistake number 3, the lean back. If you're arching your spine like you're about to limbo, you're not curling, you're cheating. Here's the question. If all that energy is escaping through your back and shoulders, how much growth are your arms really getting? Exactly, almost none.